Hi, I'm Stephanie Prosenjac from Cherry Creek Dance, and I'm here to answer your question, how to fix a ballet shoe string after it has come out of your shoe. Honestly, it's probably going to be more frustrating and give you a big headache to try and restring this. Because the shoes are generally leather or canvas, and they're pretty thick lined, for your own needle and thread without a machine, it's going to be really difficult. Even if you take it to a tailor shop, it's going to probably cost you about the same amount of money for them to restring this as you buying a new pair. Generally, the shoes run between $17 and $22. As you can see, the string has to be, flexible. So when you're sewing it, you have to make sure that the elastic is not getting caught in there, or the string won't move at all. So again, I think it's going to be better for you to just go ahead and buy a brand new pair of ballet shoes after the string has come out. So this is Stephanie Prosenjac from Cherry Creek Dance, and I hope I've answered your question of how to fix a ballet shoe string after it's been out.